talk to us about what happened here tonight from your point of view?
I think pretty much the same like the first game. You know, both teams we saw character, very good battle. I think also very good basketball today. Better, I like more this game than the first one. But in this series, is small things, small details make difference. And I'm still thinking that in some moments of the game we are too hurry, and we need to think a little bit more. We play with a lot of heart, which is fine. I'm so proud to my players because they are fighting a lot. We are together. We are going everybody in the same direction, and I think we deserve it a little bit more than we have right now. But the situation right now is 2-0 for Keflavik. Of course, they are playing really well also, and my head says that we are gonna try to win the next one. That's it.
You talk about details. I saw that you were not too happy with Hester when he fouled here during the last seconds.
Well, this is one action more, you know, but everything accounts, not only in the last 35 seconds. From the beginning to the game, from the beginning to the end, everything accounts, every detail. One foul, one free throw, one open shot we miss, maybe one turnover. This kind of thing, what I mean. He decided to make foul, that's fine, but this is one more. It's not about that we lose for this. No. Also, I am so happy for the players because we are fighting a lot and we are trying. But yeah, like I said, in some moments we need to play a little bit more calm, or maybe to share more the ball and to have, you know, this patience. Sometimes we play too much with the heart and not too much with the head sometimes. But like I said, I am satisfied with the work about my player. I cannot complain.
What can we expect from Tindastóll in the next game?
We are gonna win next time.
Yeah?
No, for sure.
Come back to Keflavik?
Yes.
You like it here?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.